Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best folding treadmills in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 12. Ovix Q2S Folding Portable Treadmill. Ovix adopts the brand new Silkworm Slow Rebound Shock Absorption technology. The Silkworm shock absorption technology is derived from the cushioning principle of professional running shoes, which can protect the knee from injury during exercise. It's too easy to miss exercise sessions in today's hectic world, but Ovix treads give you the flexibility to work out whenever in the comfort of your home. Whether you're a runner, an athlete focused on another sport, or just someone looking to improve your fitness, the Q2S Plus delivers with a large 0.5 running surface. And you won't be alone, thanks to Bluetooth that links with the FitShow app where you'll find the support of a global fitness community. Foldable Portable Treadmill offers two choices for users to obtain the personal data. The data is displayed directly on the LED screen or download Ovix app for fetching the in-time data and sharing with friends. The size of folding treadmill belt is 17 inches by 50 feet, which provides extra space for comfortable running, making running safer and more comfortable. More importantly, a wide walking belt, better footsteps, less prone to touching your feet. Number 11. Sunny Health and Fitness SF T7515 Smart Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Treadmill is a mid-tier folding treadmill that'll give you a serious incline range. And since it lets you reach speeds up to 8 miles per hour, you can rest assured knowing the machine will keep you challenged for a while. Though the treadmill is pretty compact, it boasts a shock-absorbing treadmill belt that promises to keep you comfortable as you run. And its sturdy handlebars are there to keep you feeling stable and balanced as you explore the machine's many incline and speed settings. Number 10. Sunny Health and Fitness SF T1407M Manual Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness Manual Treadmill is a great pick for those looking to log a solid workout in a small space. The folding treadmill is more compact than most, and since it weighs a mere 46.7 pounds, it should be easy to carry from room to room between workouts. Since the treadmill is manual, it will put you in total control of the intensity of your workouts. Simply walk or run faster, and it will automatically adjust to your speed, and its fixed incline will ensure you stay challenged as you run. This manual design may be off-putting to some, but if you need something budget-friendly and space-efficient, it will likely be a worthy trade-off. Number 9. NordicTrack T-Series EXP10i Treadmill. The NordicTrack T-Series EXP10i Treadmill is a splurge-worthy folding treadmill that's loaded with high-tech features. When you step onto the treadmill, you'll have the option to customize your treadmill belt. You can choose between a cushioned, comfortable experience and one that more closely resembles the feel of road running, and of course, you can switch between the two anytime you like. The treadmill also boasts automatic incline and speed adjustment features, which will increase the intensity of your workouts as you build strength. And if you pair your treadmill with an iFit membership, you can enable interactive personal training, which will allow personal trainers to control your workout settings for you as you run. Number 8. Horizon Fitness T101 Series Treadmill. The Horizon Fitness T101 Treadmill is a classic folding treadmill that boasts all the features beginners need to get started. For starters, the treadmill comes with an easy-to-use console that will let you adjust the intensity of your workouts anytime you want to. And since it can reach speeds up to 10 miles per hour and inclines up to 10%, rest assured knowing it'll be easy to start slow and stay challenged over time. Also nice. The treadmill's belt boasts 3 different padding zones, an impact zone, a transition zone, and a push-off zone, so it will provide cushioning and comfort in all the places your stride needs it most. Number 7. Bowflex Treadmill 10. The Bowflex Treadmill 10 is a high-tech treadmill that will keep your workouts challenging and engaging as you build strength. The treadmill comes equipped with easy-to-adjust speed and incline knobs that make it simple to increase the intensity of your workouts as you run. And since the treadmill boasts an incline range of -5 to 15%, you can actually choose whether you want to run downhill or climb uphill every time you work out. True to form, the high-tech features don't stop there. Pair your Bowflex Treadmill 10 with a JRNY membership, and you can access workout videos, virtual coaching, and adaptive workouts that get tougher as you get stronger. Number 6. Xterra Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. The Xterra Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill is a budget-friendly folding treadmill with settings you'd expect to find in a more expensive option. The treadmill's wide belt is cushioned for comfort, and its sturdy handlebars will help you stay stable as you work out. If you want to up the intensity of your workouts, you can manually adjust the incline between 3 different settings, or mechanically increase your speed up to 10 miles per hour, and you can also take advantage of the treadmill's 12 preset workout programs anytime you're craving a more guided workout. Number 5. Perform Carbon T10, an iFit-enabled treadmill that nearly pays for itself. Purchase of the Perform Carbon T10 comes with a 3-year iFit family membership valued at $1,188. Designed with the Proform Space Saver design and Easy Lift Assist, the unit folds upright with a very easy push. Definitely designed with live workouts in mind, the 10-inch Smart HD touchscreen comes ready to work with iFit, and the machine is designed for trainer-controlled workouts, meaning live instructors can govern the speed and incline while users work out. Measuring 35.24 inches x 74.62 inches x 64.39 inches, the machine has a 300 pounds weight maximum. Powered by a 2.75 chp motor, speeds go up to 10 miles per hour with incline up to 12%. In addition to cushioning technology, the treadmill features a cool air fan and an audio auxiliary port with 2-inch speakers. The running deck measures 20 inches x 55 inches. Number 4. NordicTrack Commercial 1750. Yet more proof that a foldable treadmill doesn't mean skimpy on the options. The NordicTrack Commercial 1750 brings a dynamic set of workout options to your home. Yet, even with all the bells and whistles aboard, the strapping 78-inch L x 39.2-inch W x 63-inch H treadmill folds up easily in under 10 seconds by way of the patented Easy Lift Assist mechanism. Operating off a 3.75 chp motor, the unit features both a 15% incline as well as a 3% decline to help heighten intensity. The belt itself is 60 inches x 22 inches, quite roomy considering the unit can be folded up and stored in a closet when not in use. But real NordicTrack fans know the brand comes part and parcel with the iFit universe of interactive training. Like its sibling units, the 1750 has a 10-inch HD touchscreen, the iFit coaching system, the iFit Google Maps feature, in addition to 50 other built-in programs. Live trainers from remote locations can take over the treadmill to help you adjust to workouts as varied as your imagination and fitness goals. Meanwhile, the 1750 is also equipped with an integrated tablet holder, Bluetooth capabilities, and 2 3-inch digitally amplified wireless speakers. Heart rate monitoring can be performed by way of the integrated sensors in the handlebars, or the Bluetooth unit, which requires a separately sold chest strap. Number 3. Horizon 7.0. It's the more pocketbook-friendly brother of the top-rated 7.8, and after its last refresh it wasn't all that difficult for the Horizon 7.0 to take position as our favorite budget buy. Its console is basic, as it's designed for users who want to run training apps on their iPad or tablet, just as much as for those who just want to throw on some music and get running. Like its bigger brother, its incline and drive motors adjust faster than much of its competition, making it a great option for those who love hit sprints. The treadmill has a steel frame, which gives it a strong foundation, sturdy and durable enough to handle more intense runs. Its 3.0 chp motor is quite powerful, not to mention steady and quiet, and comes with a lifetime warranty. The 60 running deck is a bit longer than the standard 55, making it a good choice for taller runners and those with a longer stride. It is offered with a lifetime warranty on its frame, 3 years on its motor, parts, and electronics, and 1 year on labor. Number 2. Echelon Stride. With the ability to fold down to just 10 inches high, the Echelon Stride makes for easy storage. Featuring easy auto-fold technology, the folded dimensions are just 69.3 inches x 31 inches x 10.25 inches, with the unit popping upright to a height of 49.2 inches. The 156-pound frame is yet able to carry a maximum user weight of 300 pounds. Like other members of the Echelon family of fitness machines, the Stride comes with membership access to the Echelon Fit app, complete with a diverse range of programming spanning scenic runs to boxing, all led by top-notch instructors. That said, the machine is engineered to perform with fitness in mind. With speeds up to 12 miles per hour, the treadmill features 12 levels of incline up to 10%. The running surface measures 55 inches x 20 inches. Mechanically, the motor offers 2.50 horsepower at peak, with 1.75 chp. The Stride features an 18.5-inch touchscreen which displays calories, distance, incline, time, pace, pulse, speed, steps, and the unit's controls. Number 1. Shohel F80 treadmill users are certainly familiar with the Shohel family of machines, and there's little surprise that our pick for best overall folding treadmill is the Shohel F80. A great mid-range option between the F63 and F85, its high-quality components are designed for durability. And more importantly, it folds easily for convenient space saving. The foldable treadmill design of the F80 actually originated from the demand of hotels for a treadmill as mobile as a service cart, yet still stable and effective. Thus, the folding deck design, Easy Assist, was born. With a patented all-gear rack and pin system, complete with a safety lock which secures the unit in place when upright, the F80 allows users to simply release the deck, step back, and watch it effortlessly unfold itself in a vertical manner, as opposed to out flat. Other great features include a roomy 22-inch x 60-inch running deck, a 3.5 HP motor which supports both running and walking, as well as a power incline up to 15%. A 9-inch LCD display brings 10 preset programs to the action, along with the included Shohel Fitness app which allows users to sync up with Fitbit, Record, Apple Health. In addition to the screen, the unit has a built-in tablet holder and Bluetooth connectivity. All in all, quite a bit for a folding treadmill.